Holy cow. You got a big bite.
She didn't actually retain it though.
She just picked some off her tray with her hand and put it back in the bowl.
I said put it on the spoon.
Oh, you want to feed some to Daddy? Dada, come get some.
Not so much. Oh, it's a good one. Actually, this is awesome because I just made the spoon sticky. So
Yeah, I know.
everything.
Pretty much.
It's brilliant.
Good girl.
That was awesome.
Keep
Not so awesome.
it on your tray, Ada. Keep it on your tray, okay? Yeah, good job. Yeah, you got it. Oh, there you go. Good job. Mm.